Hey guys, welcome back into this new video tutorial. This is going to be node.js. Friends, this is going to be a very simple short videos. I remember on the first video I showed you guys there was an installation. I'm sorry for the sound, that was actually not very good or perfect, but I hope now at least this will be fine. Now I remember we installed our node.js, so just go and actually try to check. You'll be having node.js in your machine. So this is it. I remember guys saying that node.js we shall be making we shall first at the moment going to be basing on the console application, which later on we shall upgrade ourselves into what known as the UI or the user interface, or using an interface, or even making what known as a web application or a simple app, or from either from react.js or express.js. So let us just start at the moment first off with our node.js, simply how to make a simple I'll create a simple CMD program. Now to use or to do anything with node.js, you can either use the command line for node.js, or even you can just use the CMD. You can just actually happen to use the CMD. Any of those that actually, any of the command line that guys you would like to use, it will probably work for you. So if I told you I happen to use a CMD or Node.js, still I'll get the same result. What just need to do after just installation of your Node.js, please guys, if you know this is your first video actually to watch with the OSP Pro, I would request you first guys actually see here on the installation of Node.js, which actually I happen to give on my first tutorial. So just type node, then give a space, and actually you press enter. You get? So after you pressing enter, that's when now actually guys you can just start programming in. So to write a simple, or to actually print out a simple program, I just have to write one known as console. Since this is a console application, you say console.log, then here you give the parentheses. I'll just happen to come here, maybe say hello world. So that's it. Then don't forget, in all programming, or most of programming, just same applies to node.js. Always terminate a program or show that the program ends there by giving one known as a semicolon, like that. So if I happen to press your enter now, you'll discover that now it can print for us hello world. So guys, the same applies to the anyone who will be having the CMD still, as long as you happen to have one known as node.js installed in your machine. Maybe another thing that I should actually remind you guys, since you're going to be using also CMD, is that when you install node.js, actually it happen to be installed on a default setting the path, so you don't need to set the path for your node.js. So I don't want you guys to actually ask me that question later on, that how do we set the path for node.js. It comes with the default. Actually, as long as you install it, just click continue, next until you finalize with it. And remember, it's a free software, so they're not asking any money. So just the same applies, the same thing. You can just press enter, and then you go be in a condition to do the same thing that actually happened to do the other side around. So that's it. If I do the same thing, maybe I just say hello world. I'll just do that because that's the first thing always in programming. What you always start with by printing hello world. So the same thing guys, that's what actually will be on. This video is going to be a very short video, just like I've said guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I recommend you please guys subscribe to my OSP channel, so that guys you support me out. Now I know you guys may be having a lot of questions to ask me. Please, if you have any question to ask me, I recommend you please actually happen to come in and ask me them. Ask me your questions about node.js, and later on we're going to upgrade ourselves into a simple, we're going to do first of all simple loops. That's going to be in our next video, and variables, declaration, and something like that. Now on this video still, I would like to let you know that node.js is a JavaScript library, or it's come from a JavaScript. It uses most of the JavaScript library, which actually we're going to be using in this program. So I recommend you please that subscribe to OSP channel. Love you guys.